Leaks around the Pixel 10 have been surfacing like crazy, but until recently, there was barely a decent image to go with the chatter. That changed thanks to a random listing on a Chinese site called Hufish. Yeah, never heard of it either. It was supposed to be for a prototype motherboard, but the photos attached. They show the whole phone, front and back. Kind of a bizarre post filled with someone ranting about scammers, but the pictures themselves look pretty convincing. The device in the images appears to be a Pixel 10 prototype, and if you've seen the earlier Pixel 10 Pro leaks, it looks strikingly similar. It's rocking a triple camera setup on the back, which is a first for the base Pixel line. Leaks suggest one of those lenses is a 5x telephoto, joining the wide and ultra-wide we've come to expect. There's also a strange sensor below the flash, possibly a carryover temperature sensor like on the Pixel 9 Pro. Either way, that's a lot of hardware for the standard version. Now, about that motherboard. Someone's actually trying to sell the engineering sample for around $53. It's an EVT 1.0 board featuring Google's new Tensor G5 chip. No identifying serials are visible. They've been blurred, probably to avoid any knock on the door from Google. But let's not get ahead of ourselves. It's just the board. No phone body, screen, or battery. Unless you know your way around chip-level testing gear, there's not much to do with it. The G5 itself is shaping up to be the main attraction this time. Built using TSMC's 3nm process, the same one powering the iPhone 16 Pro's chip, it's expected to deliver better efficiency and cooler thermals. That's a big deal considering how toasty previous Tensor chips could get. Still, performance leaps might be limited since Google is rumored to be using some older CPU cores again. So, it may not be a powerhouse, but it could be a smarter, cooler, more stable Pixel overall. There's still time before the official reveal, and if history's any indication, more info will definitely leak. So stay tuned to the channel for more updates, and I'll see you all in the next one. Until next time, take care.